Okay. First longboard filmed. This is Espanola. I don't even know what the fuck this town is called. Going a longboard down it, so if I get hit by a car, oh well. Instead of slide. This fucking huge truck coming up. Actually, better fucking gain some speed. Fuck, I'm in rocks! Come on, guys, let's go. Come on, let's go! Woo! That's a fucking hill. There's Melissa. Fuck yeah.